Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. Installing the Firefox browser is very easy and fast. In the address bar we type mozilla.org, this is the official Firefox website. We accept and here, on the homepage, we find the buttons to download. We have one at the bottom and one at the top right. We can click on any of these. It will automatically start downloading. But if it doesn't work for you, you can click on Try downloading again. Here in Google Chrome, it is downloaded automatically and appears at the bottom left. Click here to start installing. If you are using the Internet Explorer browser, when you click on Download, some buttons will appear at the bottom. You will click on Run and it will download and automatically open the installer. Here, this will start downloading, we must wait for it to complete blue bar, it will automatically open our new browser. The time depends on our internet speed. That's it, Firefox is already installed on our computer and we can use it. Here the browser has automatically opened an empty tab and the website that has information about your privacy. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.